Amid the ongoing water crisis in India's national capital, Aam Aadmi Party confirmed that Delhi Water Minister Atishi has ended her hunger strike. The move comes after the minister's health deteriorated, leading to her hospitalization. AAP, however, assured that they will fight for the people of Delhi and write to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to provide Delhi with its rightful share of water from Haryana. Delhi Minister Atishi began her hunger strike on 21st June. According to AAP, in the early hours of 25th June, Atishi's blood sugar levels plummeted to 43 at midnight and further dropped to 36 by 3 a.m. Atishi was admitted to the emergency ICU at Delhi's Lok Nayak Hospital. On 24th June, doctors from LNJP Hospital had examined Atishi and advised her to get admitted due to adverse health effects from her indefinite hunger strike. Atishi was on an indefinite hunger strike against the Haryana government for not releasing 100 million gallons per day of water. According to the minister, Delhi's water requirement is 1,005 million gallons per day, of which 613 million gallons per day comes from neighbouring Haryana. However, she said that Haryana has only been sending 513 million gallons per day of water. She added that 1 million gallons per day of water can serve 28,500 people. So if Haryana is sending 1,000 million gallons per day less water to Delhi, this is ultimately affecting around 28 lakh people. BJP-led Haryana government refuted the charges, saying the Delhi government was playing cheap politics over water, and added that the state has been supplying water according to the mutual agreement. Workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party staged a protest outside the Delhi Jal Board office, alleging that the Aam Aadmi Party's mismanagement has led to water crisis in the national capital. Several parts of Delhi have been facing an acute shortage of water supply amid an unprecedented high summer heat. According to a report by Moody's Ratings, India's escalating water shortage amid rapid economic growth and frequent natural disasters poses a threat to the nation's sovereign credit strength. Each summer, millions of Indians face acute water shortages as demand surges in farms, offices, and homes, far outstripping the limited supply. In 2024, a prolonged heat wave has further strained water resources, particularly in Delhi. The report further adds that climate change, which is leading to more frequent and severe water shortages and extreme climate events, will likely worsen the situation due to India's heavy reliance on monsoon rainfall for its water supply.